Two famous VPNs, IPVanish versus TunnelBear. Which one really delivers? On the left, IPVanish, known for unlimited devices and powerful speeds. And on the right, TunnelBear, the friendly VPN with privacy bear hugs. Let's skip the buzzwords and dive into what matters for your privacy in 2025. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might just surprise you. Okay. Before we dive in, here's a quick mind map of how we're going to break this down. Pricing, speed, security and privacy, streaming and P2P, device support, features and extras, and finally, server network. Ready? Let's hit each of these. So let's talk price first. IPVanish does have a monthly plan, so that's flexible. And hey, they both have a 30-day money-back guarantee. But honestly, IPVanish is kind of pricey at about $12.50 a month. Ouch. Now, TunnelBear is so much more wallet-friendly. Plans go as low as just a bit over $3 a month. The catch? You're capped at 5 devices at once, so it's not unlimited. But if you're just one person or a small family, that's probably fine. So in this category, TunnelBear definitely takes the win for most people. All right, next up, speed. And here's where IPVanish really flexes. We're talking seriously fast speeds, an average of 463 megabits per second across the globe, and a huge server network to back that up. It's not the fastest ever, but trust me, it beats TunnelBear. TunnelBear's decent too. You'll get around 368 megabits per second globally, which is still good for most stuff, but they do slow down in places like the UK. Bottom line, if you hate buffering or lag, IPVanish is the go-to here. Now, onto security and privacy, and honestly, both absolutely crush it here. IPVanish rocks a strict no-logs policy, top-notch encryption, a kill switch, and even its own DNS servers. Only downside, they're based in the US, which, yeah, is a Five Eyes country. TunnelBear is just as solid. No logs, strong encryption, kill switch, privacy settings even your grandma could use, but, yep, they're based in Canada, so also Five Eyes. So there's no clear winner. They're both locked down tight. Did you know? TunnelBear celebrates privacy with bear-themed animations, while IPVanish is one of the few VPNs offering truly unlimited devices. That's a pretty wild contrast, right? Let's get into streaming and torrenting. IPVanish is actually pretty solid. You can unlock all the big US streaming sites like Netflix, Prime Video, Disney+, even HBO Max, and you get unlimited torrenting. They're not top of the world for streaming, but they'll get you in the virtual door. Now, TunnelBear will let you torrent, but if you're hoping to binge the latest on Netflix US, it's hit or miss. Like, you'll probably just get blocked more often than not. For streaming and P2P, IPVanish easily comes out ahead. Device support. Oh man, this is always a deal breaker for someone. IPVanish? You get unlimited simultaneous connections. No, seriously, go nuts. Phone, laptop, your smart fridge, whatever. It works on all major platforms. Plus, you've got router and Chrome OS support, though split tunneling is only for Android and Fire TV. TunnelBear? Super user-friendly apps for all the big platforms. They even have browser extensions. But you're capped at 5 connections, and there's no love for routers or manual Linux folks. IPVanish is the winner. Unlimited devices is just a game changer. Now, for features and extras, and you know what? This one surprised me. IPVanish is totally solid with your standard security suite, but honestly, that's it. No ad blocking, no browser extensions, just the basics. Now TunnelBear? Oh, here's something cool. They've got built-in ad blocking, browser extensions for Chrome and Firefox, and the whole thing's super approachable. I mean, who doesn't like bear puns and cute animations? Easy win for TunnelBear here. And finally, server network. If you want options, IPVanish is stacked. Over 2,200 servers in 75 countries, with a bunch of IP addresses to keep you covered. Sometimes their servers get kind of busy during peak hours, but it's still way more than TunnelBear, who offers just 500 servers in 47 countries. It's a smaller footprint, so if you want the widest possible reach, IPVanish is your guy. Let's visualize how these two stack up across all those categories. You'll see where IPVanish really stretches ahead, especially on speed, devices, and server count. But TunnelBear makes a splash with price and those fun features. So, bottom line, guys, if you're all about pure performance, need a ton of devices online, or just love having servers everywhere, IPVanish is probably the better pick. But if you prefer something that's super friendly, easy to use, and you want those little perks like built-in ad blocking, TunnelBear's vibe might win you over. It's up to you, but now you know what you're getting into either way. Find your perfect VPN match? Stick around for more tech breakdowns, comparisons, and maybe a few more bear jokes. See you next time.